Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Sintra AI and compare it with ChatGPT. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra AI. And if you are unfamiliar with Sintra, essentially what it is it's a platform that gives you access to a variety of AI employees that you can use for your business. And they each specialize in different areas. So we'll just kind of go through the different AI personalities that you can gain access to. First off, we have Dexter here for $39 a month, your data analytics expert. We have Buddy, and he is a business strategist. We have Emmy, who is your email marketer. We have Gigi, your personal growth coach. Scouty, your recruitment partner. Pen, your copywriting expert. Comet, your e-commerce manager. Millie, your sales strategist. Xiaomi, your personal SEO mastermind. Vizzy, your executive assistant. And there are a few others that we have access to as well, but of course you do need to get a subscription to Sintra in order to gain access to the different AI employees we have here. There's also Sintra X, which for $97 a month, you gain access to all 12 plus Sintra AI helpers. And we could just take a look here. You have all 12 plus helpers for most areas of your work. We have 90 plus power-ups for one-click work. Do one-click work with power-up. Simply adjust and complete tasks in seconds, from image generation to creating LinkedIn posts to optimizing landing pages. So that's one of the things you can do here. You can do image generation. All the features for Brain AI, personalize your outputs for your unique liking based on your knowledge. Helpers can scrape websites and use all the information while completing your tasks. There are access to 150 plus different languages, and it's all in one easy to use platform for one flat subscription fee. Or you can gain access to each individual AI employee for $39. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect with Sintra. So how does this compare to ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is not going to function exactly the same way that Sintra does, but there is a way that you can have ChatGPT essentially mimic a lot of the similar aspects of Sintra. And essentially the way that you would go about that is to create a new chat for each of the areas that you want to focus on. But then from there, it's up to you to basically talk to ChatGPT and essentially program it to respond to you the way that you want to do that. So, for example, if I wanted a social media helper, then we can say something to ChatGPT here. I want you to simulate a helper for my social media. We'll just keep it simple like that. And here you can see that ChatGPT has responded. Got it. Are you looking for a chatbot style assistant that helps with content ideas, engagement strategies, or something more automated like AI generated captions, post scheduling, or trend analysis? Also, should it have a personality or a specific voice style? So you can see here just what the response that we're getting from ChatGPT, that if you're willing to go through the time to essentially build the helper that you're looking for, then you can use ChatGPT to do that. Now, of course, the difference with something like Sintra and the reason that you might want to pay for that subscription is because you don't have to think about all those details. And Sintra has gone through all the trouble to make sure that each of the helpers is programmed to respond to your needs in a very specific and professional manner. So if you're a little bit more hands-on and you're willing to do the work, then you can definitely use ChatGPT to simulate a lot of what Sintra is doing. But at the end of the day, you are getting a more polished product, you might say, and with Sintra, and something that might be a little bit more intuitive and specifically programmed to respond to your business needs. So that's just an idea there of how these two are similar and how they're different. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.